So I just got this new helmet and I wanted to customize it. But if you're like me and went online to find ways to do that, you might have been scared off from painting your helmet because apparently the paint takes away from the safety rating. Luckily, I found a great alternative. It's with this Cricut vinyl cutter. You cut adhesive vinyl stickers, get them on your helmet, much easier, simpler, and best of all, you can peel them off and recustomize your helmet over and over again. Let's go in the house and I'll show you how I did it. Okay, so we're back in the house. I'm going to show you how I customized my helmet. First thing I did, I went and removed all the branding stickers from the manufacturer. I left one. My helmet's a POC. I don't mind people knowing it's a POC helmet, but they had a big POC on this side, another one on that side. They even had it in the back. I don't want to be a walking billboard for POC. One sticker's fine, but if there's going to be a bunch of stickers plastered on my helmet, I want them to be fun. Something I customized, personal to me. That's why the Cricut machine was excellent for that. I'll show you what I did. The whole process is super easy. First, you get the Cricut machine. I borrowed mine from a friend. You can do the same, or you purchase it for about $200 Canadian. Even better if you get it used on Marketplace or Kijiji. And then with the Cricut website, you upload any image or logo you want. It converts it into a PNG or SVG format. And once it's on this site here, you can see I like to go with some Canadian branding. I'm going to put a bunch of other fun stuff, but I'm starting off with Canada. And once it's in this website, you just need to measure your helmet where you want to put the sticker. For example, if I wanted Canada written up here, I measure that it's about 1.5 centimeters wide. And when it's on the website, your image can be expanded or shrunken, and the reader there will tell you exactly what size it is. And that's the size the sticker will be cut to. So you'll know exactly how it will fit on your helmet once it's printed. And then lastly, you go to the craft store and you pick out the vinyl you want. It comes in so many different colors. I went with a beige desert tan as well as a darker brown color to match the frame of my bike. And then once you're satisfied with the stickers you want to have cut, you press go and the machine does all the work. Now that the Cricut machine has done its magic, I will zoom in and show you what the finished product looks like. The machine traces along the image with a super fine blade. And now all that's left to do is to peel off the backing surrounding the image and transfer it onto the helmet with some transfer tape. Before applying the sticker, good idea to wipe down the spot that you'll be placing it in with some isopropyl alcohol, just to make sure there's no grease or grime in that area. And now just repeat that process for all your other stickers. And here's what the finished product looks like. A small Canada flag in the front, mirroring the POC. Large Canada banner on the side. And the Cricut machine printed it perfectly sized to fit that whole space. Looks great. And then something fun on the back for anybody cycling behind me. Have a good ride. A couple of smiley faces thrown in. And then opposite side mirrors the same Canada banner. Very happy with how this turned out. I may add more stickers down the road, but for now I think the helmet looks pretty rad. As always, thanks for watching. Please like and leave a comment below. Let me know how your customization turned out. And if you can, support the channel by subscribing to Mike Biker Canada. See you in the next video.